Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, here to guide you through another transformative journey with Stoicism. Today, we'll delve into a profound lesson from Marcus Aurelius Meditations, specifically from section 6.26. The wisdom in this passage teaches us the art of simplifying our responses to life's challenges and acting with precision. Let's dive into this timeless advice and see how it can illuminate our modern lives. Ready to transform with Stoicism? Let's begin. Picture this scenario. You're at work, and suddenly you're faced with a request from an unpleasant colleague or a difficult boss. Their tone might be rude, and your instinct is to react defensively or even reject their request outright. It's a common reaction, isn't it? But here's where Marcus Aurelius offers us a fresh perspective. He advises against overcomplicating things more than necessary. If someone asks you how the name Antonin is spelled, would you start shouting out each individual letter? This rhetorical question encourages us to think logically and calmly before acting. By getting caught up in our emotions, we often turn a manageable situation into a tempest. Aurelius reminds us to remember that every duty is composed of individual moments that can be itemized. It is these moments that should be observed, without fuss, without reacting with irritation, properly carrying out each task in turn. This approach is not about suppressing our feelings, but about managing our emotional responses to maintain clarity and effectiveness. Let's return to that difficult job request. Imagine you take a step back to assess it objectively. You might discover that not everything in the request is unreasonable. Some parts of it might be quite easy to accomplish. By separating the task into manageable pieces, you can fulfill the request without it becoming an emotional burden. This doesn't only apply to work situations. It's a valuable practice for any area of life where conflict or stress arises. In essence, life is already complex enough. Why add layers of emotional turmoil over trivial matters? Marcus Aurelius teaches us to avoid complicating things further. Let's not complicate it further with emotions bubbling up over trivial matters, getting involved in wars whose deeper causes we don't really care about. Let's not allow emotions to stand in the way of kathekon, the simple, proper actions on the path to virtue. Now, how can we practice this Stoic lesson in our daily lives? First, recognize when you're feeling overwhelmed or irritated by a request or task. Pause, breathe. Break the task down into smaller, manageable steps. Ask yourself, what can I do right now that aligns with my principles and stays true to my values? Approach each step with a sense of calm and clarity, just as you would list out each letter in the name Antonin if asked. By adopting this mindset, you're not just avoiding unnecessary stress, you're nurturing resilience, self-discipline, and inner calm, core values we cherish in the Stoic philosophy. When faced with a challenge, approach it with the same methodical calmness Marcus Aurelius advises. This simple shift in perspective can dramatically transform how we respond to life's demands. Friends, it's not about suppressing our emotions, but understanding and controlling our reactions to maintain our composure and effectiveness. By observing our duties carefully and breaking them down into manageable parts, we not only simplify our lives, but also pave the way for virtue. I hope you find today's lesson insightful and practical for your everyday life. Remember, each challenge is an opportunity to practice Stoicism and grow stronger. Join me again as we continue to explore the wisdom of the ancient Stoics and apply their teachings to create a serene and resilient mindset. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay Stoic and keep thriving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's build a community where we support and empower each other in our Stoic journeys. See you in the next video.